Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. I found a couple years ago, maybe just 1 year ago, I don't know how long, time's weird now, of a Spider-Man and a Pinkie Pie Rubik's Cube thing. It was really interesting. The head was the puzzle and the body was different. And there's some other ones out there, and I was looking for it, and then I just gave up looking. And someone sent me this as a gift. So I'm not going to call out names in the video, but thank you so much. That's so unexpected. Literally, it was dropped off at the door, and my wife goes, "Did you order something?" I was like, "I don't remember." So this is one of the other ones that are out there. The Transformers Optimus Prime Rubik's Crew. We're going to go through this together. So you can see, yeah, the head pops off. So let's get right into this. I don't want to damage it, really, the box. I don't usually keep the box of things, but I'm keeping the other two in a box just because they sit really nicely there. Well, kind of hurt the box that way, but it's better than really damaging it. So we've got this here, some more cardboard. Meet the Rubik's Crew. So these are all 2x2s. They talk about, they've got an image of what each side should look like so you can remember. And the same thing, but not in English. Okay, some looking of this. Every side is different. The Spider-Man one was kind of difficult because part of the head looked the exact same. This won't be too bad. You can see where things connect here, so that makes I'm going to call it a mohawk. We've got the fins, and underneath, the body just sort of pops off. Now that body, this reminds me of, I think when I was younger, I had like this miniature Megazord. Is that right? Megazord from Power Rangers. And it was very much like this, where things moved a little bit, but not a ton. The plastic feels nice, so it's semi-flexible, so it doesn't feel like it's going to crack super easily, which is good because you have to pop the head off. Now we have this tiny little nub in there. Okay, the bottom has that dot. There is Optimus Prime. Let's mix them up. Turning is an old school Rubik's 2x2. If it's not exactly aligned, it won't turn. But also, nothing's going to pop. I could give this to a little kid. They're not going to pop this. If you have never solved a 2x2 before and you get this, good luck. There are over 3 million possible ways of scrambling a 2x2. It seems crazy that there's that many. It doesn't seem like there would be that many. Looking at it, you'd be like, I don't know, 20? Because there's 8 pieces, and they're all relative to one piece, so I guess you can say there's 7 different moving pieces. But there's over 3 million ways of scrambling this up. And the odds, if you get one layer done, the last layer is already done, is 1 in 15,000. So yeah, good luck. We'll do this together. I'm going to start with that bottom side because I think that'll be easier, just finding those pieces that have the dots to them. Although I realize now they could be in a few different orders. I think that was correct there. I should have looked. I believe that text was on the same side there. And then here and here. Well, that's not right. That's definitely not right. These pieces need to be swapped. So I can put that one now down here. Oh, that's going to be wrong. There we go. That looks correct. And now, I kind of want to... It looks like he needs to trim his eyebrows. He's got some really big eyebrows right now. One of my favorite things with some of these shape mods that are a face or a head is they look super wacky when they are scrambled up. And I love this. Actually, I think this should be the new face of... Wait, did I say Ultron one of the times before? I might have. Of Optimus Prime. I kind of want to just keep that. I know that's not right, so let's fix this. We need the mohawk, which means these need to be turned. I believe these are the top, and I believe that is the top. No, it can't be that. It'd have to be... Which way is the top here? It might be... I don't know, actually. But let's just do... If that's the top, let's just try F and then triple sexy move to see If that solves it, 2, 3. Almost. Okay. So now, if I put something like this here.
No, that needs to be vertical this way. So, none of these are correct. Let's do. So this needs to go. I had that wrong. So this needs to turn counterclockwise once, which means if I do this.
I could just do the R prime D prime RD a few times, but I want to do something different. Well, that's not what I, well, no, it is what I want. I want that, and then these need to be flipped so the fins are going out, which means, I think what I could just do is, yeah, I'm just going to do the R prime D prime RD for the rest of this. So that was R prime D twice. You move. Wait, that's not right. There wasn't those pieces sticking out. Oh, I thought this was right. What am I doing wrong? This needs to be here. So these two pieces need to swap places, which I can do with, I mean, oh, I could just do like a T-perm. Why am I stressing so much about this? T-perm. And then these two need to be swapped, so I could do like, nope. Wait, now I need to twist these again. R prime D prime RD. That was so loud. And you, and then let's do D prime D R twice instead of doing the other thing 4 times to save just a little bit of moves. And now we are set. What does it look like if he wears his hat backwards? He's super cool now. Okay. And let's snap this back on. Yeah, I'll put a link below to the other ones. I'll put a link we can get this to on Amazon. Thank you so much for sending this over. Now I feel like the collection's complete. I believe these were the only 3 main ones. If there's other ones, let me know. I couldn't find them before. Maybe they made new ones. These are a really cool design. I feel like this is like Rubik's attempt at a Funko Pop. So I'm going to talk a little bit louder right now because there's some music in the background. I don't want YouTube to flag me for copyright. So thank you very much for watching. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future. And subscribe by speedcubeview.com for more news and reviews.